guys, today we're going to be talking about our E30 K24 motor mounts. What you're seeing here right now is basically our E30 K24 motor mounts. As you can tell, they're made out of 6061 billet aluminum. They're very strong, very light. So they're going to be offered in a couple different anodizing finishes. And what you're seeing here is the passenger side and the driver's side. You will be able to run air conditioning with our motor mounts. That's why this passenger side is as long as it is, because basically the air conditioning actually bolts up to this side of the setup. Now, this will be modular, so that way if you just want the motor mount, you can have that. It'll be cheaper to manufacture, and you basically just get that. But if you wanted to add air conditioning in the future, you'll be able to do that as well. So that's gonna be a really cool feature exclusive to the Garagistic K24 motor mounts. The driver's side is a 3-piece billet aluminum piece, and it avoids all of the steering components and those type of things for clearance. Very strong, again, very modular. And why we made it so modular is because you can expect E36 and E46 variations in the future, and we can use existing components to do that. So we're gonna be taking pre-orders on these starting this month, and they'll be shipping out in December. The kit, will actually have a couple different levels of the kit. Everything ranging from just the motor mounts to a little bit more thorough of a kit. And on the stuff that we will not be offering, we will still be, as with all of our motor mounts, telling you where to get these things, different options, different budget levels. It's one of those things you could expect a K24 full swap guide coming up in the future. If you guys have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.